Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy AlterTech back again with another video, and in front of me is the OG Nexus 6P. So what do you guys think about it? Do you guys still think it looks good enough for 2018, 2019? Let me know what you guys think. It's November 12th, 2018, and this is actually the last month that the Nexus 6P will receive a software update. So after 3 months, Google has basically said, you know what, we're done with you and you are obsolete. So is that fair for Android devices to just receive 3 years of software updates? I mean, is anything wrong with this device? It's stock Android, it's pretty good, it's pretty fluid, it has an amazing camera that could go toe to toe with the Google Pixel when it comes to taking photos. It even takes better photos than some of the flagships we see today. Why can't we get an extra year of security updates? I don't know. Why are most Android devices just receiving 2 years of software updates and just 3 years of security updates? Meanwhile, Apple over here, we have the 6S. Some of these devices are getting up to 5 years of software and security updates. Maybe manufacturers can't really afford it, or maybe, I don't know, maybe it might cause an increase in price. There is an increase in price with the Pixel 3, and you're still getting 3 years of security updates. It's not fair. It is what it is. So like I said, this phone pretty much flies by. It still works pretty damn good. Great display, dual speakers, gorgeous back finish. It's in great condition. Battery life is a little iffy. It's not bad, it's not great, it's not good. It's like just it's decent enough. So let's see what we have. So let's go to settings. Let's check out the system, about phone, Android version 8.1.0. so it's not going to get any more Android updates, and the security patch level is October 5th 2018. Now let's see if we do have any updates. System update. Yes, the thing I love about the Nexus devices is that they always get fast security updates. So it's it's November 13th actually, so we already have a update waiting for us. It's about 44.7 megabytes. We're just going to restart this. So you guys are probably witnessing the last security patch update for the Nexus 6P, which is a shame because this is a gorgeous and high performing device. Let's see, over here we do have this nice big camera sensor, dual flash, two-tone flash, and this nice visor over here. You have a little speaker port over here, fingerprint reader, and we do have a headphone jack over here. And if you guys are wondering, the port, it's a USB Type-C port. So let me just unlock this. Hopefully this update doesn't break my phone. A lot of people out there are still getting boot loops. It's beautiful. Alright guys, so the update has been applied. Let's see what we have. Check it out. System, about phone, security patch level, November 5th 2018. So we're good for this whole month. So pretty much everyone online has been saying that this was the last security update. There hasn't been any more news or evidence to say that this phone will receive a update after November. I mean, this phone works pretty awesome. The camera is simply amazing. We do have the Gcam port installed. So we do have, let's see, portrait mode. So we do have portrait mode. So this is pretty cool. So pretty much if I just needed one phone, like a flagship device or like a primary device, I would have no issues using this device in 2018 or even in 2019. It's just a shame that Google is actually dropping support on such a great phone. This is the last Nexus device. Pretty much, if you guys know me, I've been I've been wishing for a Nexus device for quite some time. It's been years since the Nexus, I believe the 4 with the clear back. Now the one with the clear back with the holographic designs, that was gorgeous. So to actually finally have a Nexus device and have it be a Nexus 6P, it's pretty damn cool. Now I never thought that the camera on the 6P was this great. I kind of feel like it didn't get the respect that it actually deserved, and then when Google came out with the Google Pixel, with the camera, everyone was just simply praising it, like just worshiping this phone. I'm not sure because maybe it has the Google branding instead of the Nexus branding. Who really knows? I felt that there was just much more love on the Pixel than the Nexus device. Now I can say that the Pixel does have it feels more like an iPhone. It's more fluid. The animations, the transition speeds, everything, it just feels a lot more smoother, like nicer on this device. But this one is just pretty much bare bones. There's not much extra features or hidden features. It's just pretty much stock Android, bare bones, nothing special about it. But the experience, the speed for 2018, it's very respectable. So this is the Nexus 6P, just a quick follow-up video. What do you guys think about it? Do you think you're still interested in getting one, or are you just gonna pretty much sell this or put it away and pick up a new device because of those lack of software security updates? So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Maybe I'll do a a cinematic video using the Nexus 6P. I've taken a lot of great pictures. You guys can go ahead and check out my Instagram. I'll link it down right over here. So this is Altertech signing out. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.